Hi, in this video, I will talk about parapsychology. Parapsychology is the study of human phenomena and abilities. Parapsychology is not considered as a science. The reason is that it does not comply with scientific experimental methods. It is described as a pseudoscience by scientists. It deals with issues that psychology does not include and cannot define terminology. The events that parapsychology examines cannot generally be understood in three dimensions. It examines events that seem unusual and mysterious. The main topics of parapsychology are astral projection, hypnosis, theta, time, psychic experiences, telepathy. In ancient times, people who were interested in parapsychology were given names such as shaman, medium, magician. These names continue to be used today. Parapsychology generally studies the events produced by spiritual and energetic power. There are also various ways to increase spiritual power. Sometimes this is possible with things like training with a master, meditating, etc. It is said that in order to increase the energetic power, the spiritual power must first be increased. Thanks to this energetic power, we can move objects with the power of thought and talk telepathically. In the last century, countries have aimed to use parapsychology strategically, especially during the Cold War period. They established institutes and gave high budgets. The United States and the Soviet Union also competed in this field. Today, research on parapsychology continues in some countries. Although experiments are carried out in these institutes, it still continues to not be accepted as a branch of science. I will continue to make detailed videos on topics such as astral projection and psychic powers. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be aware of them. Thank you for watching me. Stay with love.